Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Cordless Pressure Washer Portable 2600mAh Lithium battery-powered compact handheld pressure cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Why choose our cordless pressure washer? Built-in 6 PCS 2600mAh capacity lithium-ion batteries, the power is 24% higher than the 5-cell structure, and the working current is reduced by 20%. Fast charge, the battery is fully charged in only 2.5 hours. Unique patented cooling air duct technology provides a heat dissipation path for the airflow formed when the motor is working, so that the airflow can more fully pass through the battery pack and the motor. Reduce operating temperature and extend battery life. Built-in brushless variable frequency motor to solve the defect of fast wear of traditional motors. There is no need to worry about the risk of sparks under high-speed operation and effectively extend the service life. The motor is equipped with a neodymium iron boron 38Sh rare earth permanent magnet rotor, so that the precision body has a higher magnetic density, which greatly increases the torque and improves the stability. High efficiency, low consumption, and low noise. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.